Hello everyone, this is Z66 or Zakai, your underpaid, undertrained, underinsured mechanic, and I hope you enjoy the upcoming video. And feel free to take a moment to look around the channel while you're here. I hope you enjoy my videos. I do a little bit of everything. Automotive repair, tools, which is, like my premature evaluation series, my full review series of ride the pony reviews, along with tool recovery, where I go to repair broken or damaged tools, anatomy of failure, what I discuss failures in a system and go over them, and of course, my new series of World of Finance, where I talk about, fun things like financing guns and general financial information. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to comment, like, subscribe at the bottom. And remember, I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Goodbye. Hello everyone, it's the 66 underpaid, undertrained, undersure mechanic. And today we're going to be changing my radiator and radiator cap on my Infiniti. Because why? Because, fuck me, that's why. Anyway, yeah, I kind of got to drive this to work tomorrow because everything else is in the shop. Or broken. Including my new car I just bought. So anyway, let's get started. So first thing first, you're going to want to make sure it's cold and there's not any pressure on the system. So, this reservoir's got a bolt here and it slides up. It's got a groove right there. And this has got to come up. And we're going to need to pull some of this intake off too to get here. And of course, your upper and lower radiator hoses are coming off. So, this is the reservoir. So now, so you got a bolt here and you got to unhook them here. Got two clips there, and you're probably going to break them. Get that out of the way. And this probably doesn't have to go out of the way, but I want that little bit of clearance right there to take this box out. So at the bottom of the radiator is this socket, well, bolt to turn out. Alright, we got the top hose off, we got the bottom hose straining. To get this loose, you need to turn these this way, and then you can pull them up. Not gonna pull. We need to unhook the cooling fans, and then we just gotta unbolt it from the radiator, and we'll get this joker pulled out. For the cooling fan, you gotta take this one bolt off and the radiator out. And let's talk some. You've got two old cooler lines that go right down here on the bottom, and there she is. I gotta flip this over anyway. And this radiator has a few spots where it's leaking. Goes right there on the back. We're gonna reuse those because fuck that, I ain't replacing it. But yeah, it hooks down in here on the bottom. You've got your side hooks, and it's actually a really easy job to do. The next biggest thing is gonna be putting it back together and bleeding it. But I'm gonna show you some more footage in a few minutes. Thank you. Well, everyone, this is Z66, your undertrained, undershirt, and underpaid mechanic, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, subscribe, comment below, because tell your mama, tell your grandma, tell your doctor, because I can't do this alone, and I can't pay for these Ray-Bans without your help. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. You have a good day now. Goodbye.